Hey, Mike, Prime tried to come in here and tell me, he's tried to yell at me for something that I posted for somebody else because he didn't understand, he didn't know how to read their comment. Then he comes in and tells me something else. Then he tells me, all right, turn down the toxicity, will you? So he's about to get turned down if you don't calm his ass down.
Okay. We're not putting up with any garbage, you guys, after yesterday. So, if you want to come in the show and just follow along and learn as much as you can, that's great. But if you come in the show and you want to say things that not necessarily are going to go over well, just don't do it. We're not interested. Okay, so those two pieces now will hold these side pieces in place and they won't move around anymore.
Mike, somebody wants to know what happened yesterday. I understand if you don't want to bring it up.
It was just a very toxic show. There's some people that come in the show that were lying about us and the mods and stuff that goes on. And they would not change their lies. Even though I told them they were lying and what they heard or learned was straight up a lie. What the heck is going on? Oh, it's a garbage guy collecting garbage today. Anyway, so it was just a rough show yesterday.
Hey, Mike, you want to let Prime know that his dumbass is about to get banned if he comments one more time and tells me to chill.
Hey, Prime, don't tell your mama to chill, please. That's not gonna be good for you.
Here's one for you to reply to, Mike. Tell this pussy Russ, drop a pin, bitch. Yo, mama, what are you, some internet tough guy? Your mom and your wife know what I am, bitch. Drop a pin. You want to call me a loser, you little pussy? Rusty panties? That's what your mom has, rusty panties. Russ about to get dropped. Like his daddy used to.
Hey, Russ, you can't come in and do that. I have very good moderators in my show, and they handle a lot of trash. So if you come in and you don't understand what's gone on in the past 5 years, then you're barking at the wrong dog.
I told Russ Griswold to drop me a pin.
Yeah, there's no point in that.